Hello viewers. So here we are in Masti Ki Rangshala organized by Khemo Devi Public School with many activities in Online Summer Escape 2021. So activities in Online Summer Escape are General English, Vedic Maths, Abacus, Basic Maths, Art and Craft, Dance and Cooking for all the students in the school.
Hello student, hope you are doing well at your home. I am Sarika, your maths teacher, will be taking your Vedic maths in Masti Ki Rangshala online summer escape of Khemo Devi Public School. Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques to solve arithmetic in easy and faster way. It is discovered by Indian mathematics Jagadguru Shri Bharti Krishna Trithaji in between 1911 and 1918. In Vedic maths, I will teach subtraction, multiplication in easy and faster way.
Hello my dear students, my name is Pooja Gupta who is teaching maths in Khemo Devi Public School. So welcome students in the online summer escape wherein we will enhance our mental calculation with the help of Japanese mathematical tool that is Abacus. So here we have organized Abacus classes for all of you. Students, cost of this Abacus tool varies from rupees 100 to 150 and you can easily buy it either through online shopping or you can buy it from any stationery shop. Abacus classes which will be going on alternative days, that is on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, and the next alternative days, that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday would be your practice day.
Hello students, I am Kanishka. I am an English teacher in Khemo Devi Public School. I hope you all are doing well. We know that due to corona pandemic, the country has locked down itself. I know this is a hard time for all of us, yet our school tried to train our mind to deal with every situation, which will help in collecting beautiful moments. Our school has come up again with the Summerscape Masti Ki Rangshala cheerful program, which will keep you busy in coming days, so that you will not have to miss the fun days of school anymore, as all the fun is coming to your way. So forget your boring days and participate with us. So students, in this Summerscape, I'm gonna teach you basic English, in which we will learn about self-introduction, storytelling, new words, tenses, basic grammar rules, assignment for speaking, picture description, reading activity. Students, get ready for your basic English class which will be going on alternative days, that is on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and next alternative days like Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday would be your practice day. So students, get ready.
Hello my dear second graders. This is Miss Arpana and I am going to take your basic English, basic maths and cooking classes for class nursery KG 1st and 2nd in this online summer escape Masti Ki Rangshala. So in this online summer escape we will be having basic English classes, and in basic English we will learn the basic concepts of English like self-introduction and daily use general sentences. And in basic maths, we will learn the basic concepts of maths like numbers, odd even numbers, addition, tables, etc. And in cooking classes, we will cook some instant delicious dishes that will make our summers much more tasty. And the classes will held on alternate days, like one day we will have the class and other day we will have its practice. Okay, dear students?
Hello everyone, this is your teacher Preeti. I am the class teacher of class nursery and KG. I hope you all are doing well. As you all know, our online summer escape is starting, which will keep you busy in these days. so that you will not have to miss the fun days of school. Students, in this summer escape, we will be having different classes like basic English, cooking classes, basic maths, and dance class. And I will be taking your basic English and basic maths in class nursery and KG, and dance class up to class 2nd. Students, in this summer escape, you will do creative things, and the classes will held on alternate days. Like on Monday, we will have the class of basic English, and in basic English, we are going to learn new things with activities. And along with this, we will have the cooking class. And in cooking class, students will cook non-fire dishes so that they can learn cooking also. On another day, that is Tuesday, we will have the class of basic maths, and in basic maths we will learn some new concepts with the help of activities. Along with this class, we will have the dance class so that students will enjoy the summer escape. And students, this will be the schedule for summer escape Masti Ki Rangshala. Okay?
Hello dear students, myself Bharti Singh. I am the class teacher of 3rd class. I'll be taking your basic English class. So welcome students in online summer escape Masti Ki Rangshala that our school has organized for you, where we enhance our knowledge and skills. Through the virtual classes, help students to create a routine, and it keeps them engaged and ensure that they continue to learn new things. Basic English is very helpful students to communicate with others. In Basic English, we will learn about self-introduction, role play, imaginary game, storytelling.
Hello everyone, this is English teacher Miss Rupal, and I'll be taking general English from classes 6th, 7th to 10th. And in general English classes, we'll be doing many activities, and especially the preference is given to speaking activities. And speaking activities like discussion, storytelling, picture describing, story completions, interviews, and all of these activities will be taken in speaking so that it boosts the speaking skill of the students and enhances the confidence. Schedule will be 9:30 to 10:15 on Monday, Friday, and Wednesday. Following things will be covered in the sessions. Please do have a look to the activities going on in the school. Do visit the school. Admissions are open.